Good afternoon, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 3990 Ranch Lane in Emmett. Beautiful 1371 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house built in 2018, only one owner, meticulously maintained, 2-car garage that's insulated, front covered patio, rain gutters, and it's on 4.761 acres. Got this no neighbors right here. Got this irrigation channel that goes through. Has a beautiful shop as well, which we'll get to. Property extends out. You can see the plat map online. From here it might be a little bit difficult to show you that, but it's kind of a rectangular piece. I don't know if you can see the green tractor way up there in the photo. Property extends out to there and then out to basically kind of where you see that way past that pipe. That's the septic right there on the side of the house, but it extends out to that back fence over there. So it extends out all the way, kind of like I said, kind of like a big rectangle, nice and deep and wide. Plenty of room for RV parking right on the side of the house, as well as goes down a really gentle slope to the shop. Nice concrete. Again, the gutters. Like I said, plenty of room to park. Got a gate that comes through here to pull your boat, RV, projects, race cars, whatever you're into down here. Have the greenhouse over here on the back of the house. Off the back, I should say. I'm gonna shut that gate. Gentle slope coming down. Lots of gates everywhere to move the cows around to pasture. There's a very active greenhouse right now. Picked strawberries yesterday. The owners did. A loafing shed over here. Have 4 friendly cows in the back right now. Another loafing shed there. More pasture area. And the end of the property is over here by this back fence, so you get a better view here. Awesome mountain views, pretty much all the way around, which is pretty cool. Like I said, plenty of room to park. Emmett's kind of down in a bowl, so you've got mountains all the way around here. Very quiet. And I'll take you into the shop real quick. There's some great photos online of the shop where it's empty and you can get a better view of it. I have to turn on the lights here, sorry. So nice big garage, shop. Has the loft area up above and down below, kind of an office slash storage kitchen area. Got your dragster, so you can see that you've got plenty of room in here for just about any size project. Nice concrete floors in here. Nice and tall, fluorescent lighting, insulated. All the cabinets in here. Lots of storage. You can even store stuff up in the rafters here if you choose to. 2 huge doors here. I'll put the measurements online for you. And that's the shop for you. So regarding the shop, it's actually 30 by 40. And I've got all the details online about that. Okay, for all you garage people, I'm gonna take you in through the side of the house. Give you your orientation here. There's the shop, here's the side. Nice carrier AC unit going. Power out here. We'll take a look inside of here. So you have a nice garage. Upper cabinets can stay. Little built-in. They have one of those pool type jacuzzi things here that you can swim laps in. I think that's negotiable actually, if you're interested in that. There's your water heater and your furnace. Installed in 18. These white upper cabinets can also stay with this countertop here. And there's your main electrical panel. So nice and spacious garage, awesome concrete floors in here, lots of power, lift master opener and fluorescent lighting, 10-foot ceilings. Got the nice tall door as well. I believe that's about 9 feet and has the windows in it, and it's an insulated door as well, built by Action Garage Doors. All right, so let's go inside and take a look. I like how the front yard is also gated. A lot of advantages to that. Like I mentioned before, the covered patio. And this is facing, the front patio is facing south. And we'll go inside and take a look. Getting inside, you'll notice the nice brushed nickel hardware on the doors. And you walk in, very open, 9-foot ceilings, lots of recessed can lighting, laminate style flooring in here, very low maintenance, plenty of room for a big screen TV, ceiling fan, nice big windows throughout the house, very neutral colors, nice tall baseboards, and very, very kind of light gray colored walls. Here's your kitchen with an island, the beautiful oak style cabinetry, with the pantry here. Again, nice tall ceilings in here. Nice deep sink. I love the fact that you look out the window and you've just got a beautiful view here. Very cool. I love it when there's windows above the sink. Full tile backsplash with the black electrical. Pocket door to the laundry room here. Matching cabinets. Usually builders will go skimpy on that and throw in some cheap white ones, or not at all, just a little rod. Another window here. Nice flooring as well. Low maintenance. Notice there's an outlet on the island. Stainless steel LG appliances. Like the crown molding on them as well. It's nice that they finished it all the way up to the top as well. Drop pendant lighting over the island. Room for your dining space here. And then this goes back to the patio area, looking out. Nice view there, and it'll be shaded pretty early in the afternoon. To the left is the door out to the garage. And then you've got the we've got a little mud bench right here. Very well done. Room to kick off your shoes. Very nice carpet. Here's the primary bedroom. 4 recessed can lights, as well as a ceiling fan in here. Nice wood skirt under the window. And notice how big those windows are. It's huge. So they really capture being out in the country and getting views of everything. See the mountains in the background. Very nice. Another pocket door to the closet area. You can see it's nice and deep. And then we walk into the bathroom. Perfect transitions on the flooring. No big transition strips sitting up. Obscure glass, rain glass style window here. Raised vanity with the nice tile backsplash, all the hardware installed. And I love this part, the big walk-in shower. Full tile all the way to the ceiling with a transom window. Shelves, handles right here, which is really nice because you just reach in, turn it on, you're not getting sprayed when you're turning it on. It's a nice feature, but very well done. Okay, let's go over to the other side of the house. So back in the main living area, give you one more look at that. And you have the flat panel electrical here, which is nice. Off to the immediate left is your guest bathroom, very clean. Again, lightly lived in home. Tub shower combo. Next bedroom, this was a craft room. So it's got quite a bit of stuff in here currently. It's got the closet over here. They have the door, put that back on. And bedroom number, more additional storage here. And bedroom number 3. Again, nice use of big windows, mountain views. I'm getting a little redundant on the views, but that is one awesome thing about living in the country, getting views. Okay, thank you so much for viewing the property. If you have any additional questions, reach out to your agent. If you're not working with anybody, you're welcome to call me, Sean Taylor, 208-340-0000. Back on the front of the house here, I just wanted to point out a few other additional features. Kind of an orchard area over here, which is very nice. You just got plenty of room to do whatever you want here. Horses, cows, chickens, greenhouse, plant more fruit trees. Just enjoy the serenity of living in the country. Here's the friendly cows. Hey guys! You can see the property here. You've got a greenhouse, plenty of room for RV parking, some loafing sheds, and some noisy cows. They think I might feed them. Not today, boys. Girls.